YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So, today, we're going to clear this job up. So I previously did a masking and a base coat video on this same car. And here we are putting the clear down. So I'm using the 105 Clear CV1 1.2C is the gun, the clear gun. So the reason I'm using that setup is because I find it works best with the 105 Clear. And the only reason I'm using the 105 Clear is because we had some stock before the new clears came out. So they've got like the new clears, which I do prefer, the 131 and the 177. I would choose them first, but yeah, just using up this old 105. I got this, I'm on my last can, so should be gone by the end of next week. I like to crank the pressure up on the first coat a bit more and then back it off on the second one with this clear. Yeah, not with most clears. Well, I do, but to a lesser extent with the other clears. It depends on the finish that you're looking for and the clear that you're using, the gun that you're using. See there, that's, what would that be, like 2.2 bar or say 33 PSI, 30, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 33 or so. But then on the second coat I'll get that basically right down to 2 bar, exactly 2 bar. That's fine. Either way you cut it, it's going to be much better than factory, because factory Honda, they don't put enough paint on these cars. Yeah, so with the base coat on this one, I just did the standard 3-coat system. I've been leaning away from the one visit. I think it's got its place, but on blends and metallics, nah, probably just better off using standard 3-coat. Ultimately, it's what this system was designed for. But look, the one visit, I do like it in some aspects, but I've had it sort of let me down on a couple of occasions. I don't want to be the guy to like blame the product, but on the other hand, I also don't want to be redoing parts because I'm not happy with the paintwork on it. How's that? Looking good. Yep, looking good, guys. I'm happy with that. I'll give you a close-up look at it. Getting all tangled up there. Good to have that fresh air visor. Well, it's not just good, it's really important, especially if you paint every day. But there you go, 6 minutes, guys. Nice, fast, clear coat application. DV1C2 1.3. Oh, sorry, 1.2. C1, man, I'm off my head. C1 1.2. Nice and glassy. Metallic went down nice. No muscles. Nice tight blend. Righto guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out. Oh yeah, if you want to support the show and you want a spray gun, be sure to go over to spraygunsdirect.co.uk. That's where I get all of my spray guns and spray painting equipment. So there's a link in the description, spraygunsdirect.co.uk, for all your spray painting needs. Gunman out.